Hi friends, welcome to my channel. So far we have seen different videos on different concepts. So in today's video, we'll try to understand whenever if you try to upload any file in a SharePoint Canvas apps. So after that, I want to see what are the file I have uploaded. Okay, so here we can see basically. So this is in this canvas I have taken attachment control and two button controls. Okay, so whenever if a file upload, if I file upload, I just click on load attach. Automatically the file will be loaded into the document file. So by clicking on another button, I want to open that file. Okay, what are the file I have uploaded in attachment control? I want to same thing I want to open. So for that I have taken one more button control. So we'll try to understand what folder is created. Okay. So basically, if you look at my previous videos, you can understand how to get this attachment control under, but it's very simple only. We just derived from the form control. So here I have taken button control. Basically, in the button control, I have implemented so one. I have taken one variable. Within the variable, I am trying to call the flow. Okay, add file attachment dot. Okay, so now we will see that add file attachment. So this is the flow I have created to get the response back to what are the file we have uploaded. I'm just getting the response back from the flow. So here I have taken Power Apps figure. So now you can see there is a one input. So that is called file name. So after that, I have taken one more action from the SharePoint list. Here we need to give the what is the site address, folder path, file name, file content. Again, I have taken one more action. So that is called create SharePoint sharing link or folder file. So basically here also we need to do some kind of information like what is the site address, library name, and item ID. Item ID getting from this create file and link type. So here we can see like you and edit or you only. So there are different options. So we can choose as per our requirement. After that, link scope. So whether it is specific to the some people or entire organization. So I'm just choosing entire organization because it's demo. So after that, I have taken one more action from the Power Apps trigger. Response to a flow, Power Apps are flow. So I am taking the file path. So whatever the link I am getting from this action, I am trying to pass it to this value. Okay, file path. Okay. Now we'll try to say. Okay, let me test whether it will work or not. Just go to preview, attach file. I think we can take buttons, load, open. Now you can see it's open. Okay. Again, we can see one more option. So just even we can reset also instead of closing every time. So yeah, we can do anything. There's no problem. Load attachment, done. Open attachment. Now you can see, right? Okay. So we'll try to do one more attachment. So attach file, DAX files, many to many, load attachment. It's done. Open attachment. Now it's opening many to many. So yeah, it's opening. It's fine, right? Again, we'll try to do one more experiment like Word document, attach file. Okay. Yeah, we can choose, I think, load attachment, open. Now it's working fine. I have tested a Word document, Excel file, and two images. Okay. So what are the file we have uploaded in the document library? Same thing by clicking on another button, we are able to see that. Okay, so that kind of functionality I have implemented in this video. So in the next video, we'll try to understand how to download. How to download, what are the file we have uploaded. We'll try to see in the next video. I think that's all for this video. It's very simple only, so I didn't write much logic. Just I used the launch function. In the launch function, I am passing where final data because whatever the output I am coming, I'm storing into variable. Okay, so storing into variable, I'm using that variable in this button control based in the launch function. So I think that's all for this video. I hope you like this video. If you have any questions or video courses, send an email. So thank you so much for watching. We'll catch you in the next video. Bye bye.